Hi everyone, good morning. Today we are going to discuss about the type 4. Yesterday we already discussed about the type 1 and type 2 and type 3. Type 1, here 1 upon a plus b cos square x and integral 1 upon a plus b sin square x into dx, integral 1 upon a cos square x into b sin square x into dx, and the last one is integral 1 upon a cos square x b sin x into cos x c cos square x into dx. Is it okay? The integral 1 upon a plus b cos square x into dx, integral 1 upon a plus b sin square x into dx, integral 1 upon a into cos square x plus b into sin square x into dx, integral 1 upon a into cos square x b sin x cos x plus c cos square x into dx. Here the multiply the numerator and the denominator. Multiply with the numerator and denominator is the secant square x. After that we make the suitable substitution is the tan x equal to 2, tan x equal to t. Therefore these four cases, so we have to take the numerator and the denominator multiple with the secant square x. After that put tan x equal to t. So evaluate the type 1 in the rational trigonometric functions. First of all, both nr and dr multiply by secant square x. After that we are taking the suitable substitution is tan x equal to t. Okay, so then we can evaluate the integral. But the type 2 is, what is the type 2? Integral 1 upon a plus b cos x into dx, integral 1 upon a plus b sin x into dx, integral 1 upon a cos x plus b sin x plus c. In these cases are integral 1 upon a cos x plus b sin x dx. This is the type 2. To evaluate these type of integrals, we have to take the cos x is the cos x equal to 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square, and the sin x equal to 2t by 1 plus t square, and the dx is the 2 dt by 1 plus t square. Are you understand? In the type 2, these are in the form of integral 1 upon a plus b cos x into dx, integral 1 upon a plus b sin x into dx, integral 1 upon a cos x plus b sin x plus c, and integral 1 upon a cos x plus b sin x into dx. In this case we have to take the cos x is 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square, and the sin x is the 2t upon 1 plus t square, and the dx is the 2 dt upon 1 plus t square, where t is the tan of x by 2. T is the tan of x by 2. So now we are the type 3. Yesterday we discussed about the type 3. It is one of the very important one in good point of view. Now that is what the type 3 integral. To evaluate the integral of the type a cos x, integral a cos x plus b sin x, integral a cos x plus b sin x upon c cos x plus d sin x into dx. Is it okay? Integral a cos x plus b sin x upon c cos x plus d sin x is the form ax plus b into log mod of the denominator plus c. So ax, b into log mod of denominator is this one. The value of a is ac plus bd by c square plus d square into x. The capital B is the AD minus BC upon c square plus d square, log mod of the denominator. The log mod of denominator is the c cos x, c of cos x plus d of sin x plus c is the required answer. But the special case, yesterday we are discussed there are two special cases. Those are the a sin x plus b by a plus b sin x whole square into dx. So how to evaluate these type of integrals? Here the numerator and the denominator are multiple with secant square x. Is it okay? The numerator and denominator are multiple by secant square x, then a secant x b tan x, a secant x b tan x be taken the t. Is it clear? So the numerator and the denominator both are multiplied by secant square x, then we are taking a secant x plus b tan x, a secant x plus b tan x equal to t. This is the 1 upon 1 by t square we are getting. Similarly, the a cos x plus b whole by a plus b cos x whole square into dx. A cos x plus b upon a plus b cos x whole square. So how to solve this one? We are again the multiple with the cosecant square x with numerator and denominator. We have to multiply with the cosecant square both numerator and denominator. After then a cosecant x plus b cot x, a into cosecant x plus b into cot x be taken t. Okay, today we are going to discuss about the type 4. This is the one of the very important. This is the one of the very important in for 7 marks questions. So please listen carefully here. The numerator, we can take the numerator. We take the numerator and a into denominator plus b into dy dx of the denominator plus a. Is it okay? So numerator, what is the numerator is a cos x plus b sin x plus b. A into denominator is c cos x plus d sin x plus q. B into derivative of the denominator, derivative of the cos x is the minus sin x, minus c sin x. The derivative of sin x is the cos x. The derivative of the q is 0. Now this is the k. After that, we are equating the coefficients of the cos x on both sides. Then we are equating the coefficients on both sides sin x. After that, constants. Are you okay? Then we are getting, first of all, we are equating the cos x coefficients. That is small a equal to ac. Here minus of the minus. Now here this is the bd. This is the coefficient of the cos x. Similarly, the coefficient of sin x is the b equal to ad. Here minus bc. After the point of intersection, we getting a is the ac plus bd by c square plus d square. Yesterday we complete this one. How to get the a? The equating the cos x and sin x coefficients, then solving them, we are getting a equal to ac plus bd upon c square plus d square, and the b is the ad minus bc by c square plus d square. Now after that we are equating the constants on both sides. Then we are getting k equals to p minus aq. These are the forms. Therefore k equals to p minus aq. What is the form? Is the k is p minus aq. P minus aq. These are the a and b and k. These are substitute in this. Then we are getting, what is the answer here? Integral a cos x plus b sin x plus p upon c cos x plus d sin x plus q. Now this is, we can divided by c cos x plus d sin x plus q. Therefore we are getting a into 1 dx. Therefore a into 1 dx is the ax. A into 1 dx is the ax. Now this is b into, here this is the f dash of x by f of x. When we are divided this one, we are getting f dash of x by f of x is the log mod of the denominator. That is the c cos x plus d sin x plus q. Now this is the final one is the k into integral 1 upon c cos x plus d sin x plus q into dx. Is it clear? Now we have to this one. This is the a cos x plus b sin x. We are taking b cos x plus b sin x plus b equal to a into denominator, b into derivative of the denominator plus k. After that we have to divide it by this one and applying the integral on both sides. Now this one by this one 1. Integral 1 into dx is the x. Now b into log mod of denominator plus k integral 1 upon denominator into dx. So we know that this is the type 2. This is the type 2. This is the formula of the type 4. Ax plus b into log mod of denominator plus k 1 upon denominator into dx, where k is the p minus a cube and capital A is the ac plus bd by c square plus d square, and capital B is the AD minus BC by C square plus D square. Is it clear? Is it okay? Now we are going to learn about one example. We are taking one example. That one is integral cos x. Evaluate integral cos x plus 3 sin x plus 7. Cos x plus 3 sin x plus 7 upon cos x plus sin x plus 1 into dx. Cos x plus 3 sin x plus 7 upon cos x plus sin x plus 1. So here this is in the form of a cos x plus b sin x plus p upon c cos x plus d sin x plus q is the form. How to solve this one? This is first we can thinking about this. This is the type 4. This is the type 4. First of all, we have to compare this one. All of you first compare this one. A cos x plus b into sin x plus p upon c cos x plus d sin x plus q. A cos x plus b sin x plus p upon c cos x plus d sin x plus q. Therefore, how to write this one? This is in the form of ax b into log mod of the denominator. Log mod of denominator is the c cos x plus d sin x plus q plus k into 1 minus 1 upon c cos x d sin x plus q into dx. Is it clear? What is the formula? Ax plus b into log mod of c cos x plus d sin x plus q plus k into 1 upon c cos x plus d sin x plus q. Where a is, what is the formula of a? A is the form, we know that a is the form ac plus bd upon c square plus d square. AC is the 1 into 1 1, BD 3 1s are 3, whole by c square plus d square is the 1 plus 1, that is 4 by 2 is the 2. This is the value of A. Now we are going to find the value of B. B is the AD minus BC upon c square plus d square. AD minus BC upon c square plus d square. AD, that is 1 into 1 1. 1 into 1 1. This is the minus 3 upon c square plus d square. C square plus d square is the 1 plus 1. Now this is 1 minus 3 is the minus 2 by 2. Here AD minus BC upon c square plus d square. Here this is the 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3 is the minus 2. 1 plus 1 is the 2. Therefore now this is the minus 1. This is the minus 1. This is the first one is the A and B. Therefore next one is capital K. Capital K is the form P minus of AQ. So capital K is the P minus of AQ. Therefore here the P is the 7. P is the 7 minus AQ. A is the 2 and Q is the 1. Is it clear? Now P minus AQ. P is the 7 and A is the 2 and Q is the 1. Now this is 7 minus 2 is the 5. 7 minus 2 is the 5. Is it clear? Now we are write AX. The value of AX. AX is the 2 into X is the 2X. The value of B is the 1 minus 1 log mod of denominator. Denominator is the cos x plus sin x plus 1. Is it clear? AX is the 2x. B is the minus 1. Therefore minus 1 log mod of cos x plus sin x plus 1 plus K. K is the 5. 5. Okay, is it clear? A is the 2 into x 2x. B is the minus 1 into log mod of denominator. K is the form P minus AQ. That is 7 minus 2 is the 5. 5 into C cos x D sin x plus 1 into dx. Is it clear? Now we are thinking here 2x. Now this is the log mod of cos x plus sin x. Now we have to find this value. We can find the value of separately. Here integral 1 upon cos x plus sin x plus 1 into dx, where tan x by 2, let tan x by 2 equal to t, dx is the 2 dt by 1 plus t square. Tan x by 2 is the t, dx is the 2 dt upon 1 plus t square. Therefore now this is integral 1 upon cos x is the 1 minus t square by 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. Sin x is the 2t by 1 plus t square. 1 plus 1. This is the 2 dt by 1 plus t square. Everyone understand here? Cos x is 1 minus tan square x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. That is 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. Sin x is the 2t by 1 plus t square plus 1. Therefore, now we are taking the LCM is 1 plus t square. These two are cancelled. Now we can write 2 dt by 1 minus t square plus 2t. Now we have to multiply with 1. 1 plus t square. Here the LCM is the 1 plus t square. Here is getting 1 plus t square. These two are cancelled. Now we can write 2 into dt by 1 minus t square plus t square cancel. Now we are getting 2t plus 2. That is 2 is the common factor. T plus 1. Is it clear? 2t, 1 plus 1 is the 2. 2 cancel. Now this is the log mod of t plus 1 plus c. Log mod of t plus 1 plus c. Now we can write final answer is 2x minus logarithm of, what is the log of cos x plus sin x plus 1. That is the plus 5. What is the value of this one? The value of this one is the log mod of t plus 1, log mod of t plus 1, log mod of t plus 1. F dash x by f of x is the log mod of x, where t is the tan x by 2. Log mod of tan x by 2 plus 1 plus c. This is our final solution. 2x, is it okay? 2x minus log mod of cos x plus sin x plus 1 plus 5 into log mod of 1 plus tan x by 2 plus c. How to solve this one? First of all, the given integral we have to compare with a cos x plus b sin x plus p upon c cos x plus d sin x plus q into dx. This is, we know that ax plus b into log mod of denominator, where denominator is the c cos x plus d sin x plus q, plus k into integral 1 upon c cos x plus d sin x plus q into dx. This is the solution of this one. How to get this one, sir? We have to take the numerator equals to a into denominator plus b into d by dx of denominator plus k. After that we are getting this one. Is it clear? We know that yesterday the value of a is ac plus bd by c square plus d square. AC 1, BD 3, C square plus D square is the 1 plus 1. A1, B3, C1, D1, P7, Q1. After that, B is the AD minus BC, 1 minus 3, minus 2 by 2, that is the minus 1. K is the P minus AQ, P is the 7, A is the 2, Q is the 1, 7 minus 2 is the 5. These all values are substituted in this. Ax, a is the 2x. B is the minus 1 minus logarithm of the denominator. Denominator is the cos x plus sin x plus 1. 5, therefore k into integral 1 upon 5 into integral 1 upon cos x plus sin x plus 1. Therefore, the final one, this is the type 2. When it is a type 2, we know that cos x is the 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square. Sin x is the 2t by 1 plus t square, where dx is the 2 dt by 1 plus t square, where tan x by 2 is the t, dx is the 2 dt by 1 plus t square. These two are substituted in this 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square, 2t by 1 plus t square. Now we are taking the LCM is 1 plus t square. These two are cancelled. 2 into dt, 2 dt. 1 minus t square plus 2t. Now this is the 1 plus t square. These two are cancelled. 1 plus 1 is the 2. Now we are taking the common factor is 2. 2 cancel. Log mod of t plus 1. Log mod of the t plus 1. Therefore, log mod of t plus 1 is the answer, where t is the tan of x by 2. Where t is the tan of x by 2. Therefore, now this value is log mod of t plus 1. Therefore, plus 5 into log mod of t plus 1, where t is the tan of x by 2 plus 1. This is the one of the very, very important in board point of view. Please concentrate it. Today we are going to discuss about biparts. So in the first year, we know that UV rule, chain rule, UV rule, that is UV dash plus VU dash. In the differentiation, we know that the chain rule, UV old dash, product rule, UV old dash is the UV dash plus VU dash. So here, UV old dash is the UV dash plus VU dash. But in the integration, not there here. Integration is not same. First into integral of the second minus derivative minus of. So here the first into derivative of the second plus second into derivative of the first. So we can represent the order, no problem. UV dash plus UV dash, UV dash plus VU dash. But here not there. First into integral of the second, first function into integral of the second minus integral of derivative of the first function into integral of the second function. So this is the integral of the first function into second function. How to read this one? We have to take the first function is the f of x, second function is the g of x. This is the integral of first function into second function. equal to first function into integral of the second function minus integral of derivative of the first function into integral of the second function. So how to prove this one? So how to take the first function and the second function? Which one is the first? Which one is the second? This is the very important. How to take? Suppose here log x and another one is x square is there, or e power x into some x is there, e power x into x. Here this is the exponential function, this is the algebraic function. Which function is the first? This is based on the I weight. This is depend on the I weight. I is the inverse trigonometric functions, L is the logarithmic functions, A is the algebraic functions, T is the trigonometric functions, E is the exponential function. So in order, in this order, we have to take the first function inverse, second logarithmic. Similarly, we can take this way. We can take this is the first function, second, third, first. Suppose here exponential function is the last one, but x is the algebraic function. A and E, which one is the first one? Algebraic function. We have to take x into e power x dx. That's why we have to compare with the first function is the f of x, second function is always compare with the g of x in the order of I late. I is the inverse and L is the logarithmic function, A is the algebraic function, T is the trigonometric function, E is the exponential function. First of all, we have to prove that this one. So how to prove that this one? We are taking first one, this one. So how to find this one? The d by dx of f of x integral of g of x into d of x. Is it clear? So this is compare with u, this is v. We have to compare this one u v. This is the first one is the u, second one is the v. This is the u, this is the v. What is the derivative of u v? U v dash, v u dash. Is it okay? U into v dash plus v into u dash. Therefore, we can write here u into. So here, all of you listen here. U into, that is that u into is the f of x. F of x into u into v dash. V dash is the d by dx of integral g of x dx. Next one, u v dash plus v u dash. This is the u v whole dash. What is the form u v whole dash? U v dash, v u dash. What is the v? V is the here. V is the here this one. U dash is the f dash of x. Integral v is this one. Integral g of x into dx. Is it clear? Now we can write here. We can apply the first UV rule. U into v dash. After that, f dash of x, u dash into v. Now is it clear here? This is f of x. Derivative integral cancel g of x plus f dash of x integral g of x dx. Now we are taking the left hand side this one. We are taking the left hand side this one. Therefore, f of x into g of x, f of x into g of x. Therefore, now this is d by dx of f of x integral g of x into d of x. This will be sending to the other side, minus of f dash of x into g of x dx. This term is completely sending to the other side. Now what are you doing here? We are applying the integrals on both sides with respect to x. Applying the integrals on both sides with respect to x. That is f of x into g of x dx. Integral f of x into g of x dx. Now this is, we can take the integral and the dx. Therefore we can write here integral d by dx of this is f of x integral g of x dx whole of dx. We are taking integral dx. This is integral. Finally, we take dx minus of f dash of x integral g of x dx whole of dx. Is it clear? We can apply the integral dx. Here also integral dx. Here also integral dx. After that, this is dx cancel, and the derivative integral are the cancel. What we are getting here? The integral of f of x into g of x integral of f of x into g of x into dx equal to f of x integral g of x dx. The first one, integral f of x into integral g of x into dx minus of f dash of x integral g of x dx whole of dx. This is the required formula. The integral first into second function, that is first into integral of the second minus integral of derivative of the first integral of the second. This is the formula. How to write this one? The uv is first into integral of the second minus integral of derivative of the first into integral of the second. That means u into integral of v minus integral of derivative of u integral of v. This is the by parts. So, is it clear? So now we are going to take an example. Evaluate the integral e power x into x. So, in the first year in the differential calculus, we have to take uv dash, vu dash. This is the product rule. uv whole dash is the uv dash plus uv dash. But here, undoubtedly, we are taking the first and second term. In this case, first into derivative of the second, derivative into first into derivative of the second and derivative and second into derivative of the first. First into derivative of the second plus second into derivative of the first. But not that here. Here we know that integral of uv is the u into integral v dv minus derivative of u integral v dv whole dv. This is the form. Therefore, just now we have to complete this one. We are taking the first function. Suppose how to solve this one? We are taking f of x into g of x into dx. F of x is a function in x. G of x is a function in x. First you can thinking f of x is a function in x. G of x is a variable function in x. Now we are the first one f of x integral of the g of x dx. So this is u, this is v. U into integral of v. Is it clear? Minus integral derivative of the first f dash of x. First you can write first into the second of the integral minus derivative of the first integral of the second and the whole of dx. Is it okay? F of x into integral of g of x dx minus f dash of x integral g of x dx whole of dx. This is the formula of the by parts. Integration by parts. Just now we proved this one. So how to take the first and second function? By using isolate. Sir, why we are taking this order? Sir, why we are taking this order? Suppose if you are not taking this order, undoubtedly we are taking same order. What is the integral of x is here? X square by 2. After then it is continue. You can get the continuous integral function, but are not ending this. So how to evaluate this one? Suppose if we are taking in the order isolate, undoubtedly we are getting the integral. Suppose if you not follows the order of the isolate, undoubtedly you are not getting the answer. Is it clear? So therefore here isolate e power x is the exponential function. X is the algebraic function. Here x is this one. This is the e power x. So a and e, which of the first one? Algebraic function. Exponential function is the always the last one. Therefore, now we can write in a order x into e power x into dx. X into e power x into dx. So we know that we have to know that right now. We have to know that is the first one. First one, x into integral of e power x into dx, f of x into g of x into dx, minus of derivative of the x dy dx of the first function. That is the derivative of f of x is the f dash of x. Derivative of the x integral e power x dx whole of dx. Now we can write clearly x into e power x is the e power x. Is it clear? X into the integral of e power x, everybody know that e power x, minus integral, the derivative of the x is the 1. The derivative of the x is the 1. The integral of e power x dx, this value is integral of e power x dx is the e power x. Therefore, finally is there dx. Is it clear? First the integral of e power x is the e power x. Now the derivative of the x is the 1. Derivative of x is 1. After that, here 1 into e power x is the e power x. Integral of e power x is the e power x. Now we can write here x into e power x. The integral of e power x is the e power x. Finally, we can take the integral constant is the c. Now this is the x minus 1 into e power x. We are taking the method is here I late. Here e is the exponential, a is the logarithmic function. I is the inverse trigonometric, I is the inverse trigonometric, L is the logarithmic, a is the algebraic function, t is the trigonometric function. I means sin inverse x, cos inverse x, tan inverse x. Logarithm log x square. Algebraic x square x cube. Trigonometry function sin x, cos x. Exponential functions e power x to a power x, those are. So how to solve this one? This is u, this is v. First into integral of the second minus integral of derivative of the first, integral of the second. Derivative of x is 1. Integral of e power x is e power x. Then you can get again dx. Therefore integral of e power x is the e power x. This is the method of the by parts. Is it okay? Some standard results. So here the first one is integral f of x plus x into f dash of x into dx is the x f of x plus c. Suppose here if you are taking sin x, the derivative of the sin x we know that cos x. The derivative of the sin x is the cos x. When we can thinking f of x plus x into f dash of x dx, we can write x f of x, that is the x sin x plus c is the answer. X into f of x, x into f of x, that is the x sin x plus c. You can directly write okay, x sin x plus c. How to solve this, sir? Its solution is we can write x into f of x whole dash. All of it listen carefully here. UV rule, u into f dash of x plus the derivative of x is the 1 f of x. Is it clear? Therefore, so first of all we are taking x into f of x whole dash, x into derivative of f of x is the f dash of x. The derivative of x is the 1. Now applying on both sides integral dash means d by dx of x into f of x. We can taking the integral with respect to x. Integral we are taking dx. Here also f of x plus x into f dash of x whole of dx. We can taking integral dx. Here integral dx. Dx cancel. These two are cancelled. What we are getting? X f of x plus c is the integral f of x plus x into f dash of dx is the form x f of x plus c. X f of x plus c. This is the answer. Suppose Suppose if you are taking one example here, suppose here some tan inverse x. How to solve this one? Here, this is the f of x. Tan inverse x is the f of x. Tan inverse x is the f of x. We know that tan inverse x derivative is, the derivative of tan inverse x is the 1 upon 1 plus x square. The derivative of tan inverse of x with respect to x is 1 by 1 plus x square. Now this is in the form of f of x plus x into f dash of x. What is the form? X into f of x plus c. X into where f of x is tan inverse of x plus c. This is the form. Is it clear? So now the standard result of the second one. The standard result of the second one. E power x. Now second result. Integral e power x f of x plus f dash of x into dx is the e power x f of x plus c. What is this one? E power x into f of x plus f dash of x into dx is equal to e power x into f of x plus c. Suppose here e power x into tan inverse x, the derivative of tan inverse x is this one. We take tan inverse x is the f of x, derivative of the tan inverse x is the 1 upon 1 plus x square. Then we can write simply e power x into f of x is the tan inverse of x plus c. Is it clear? E power x into f of x is the tan inverse of x plus c. Is it clear? Now we can write here how to solve this one. Its proof is e power x f of x. So this is u, this is v, u and v. U into e power x into derivative of this one f dash of x. After that u v dash. Now v into u dash. The derivative of u is the e power x into f of x. Now we are taking the common one is e power x is the common f of x plus f dash of x. Now we can apply the integral on both sides. D by dx of e power x f of x into dx, integral of e power x f of x plus f dash of x into dx. Therefore here dx are cancelled, derivative integral cancel, e power x f of x plus c. Now this is, we are taking the e power x f of x plus f dash of x into dx. Is it clear? The integral e power x f of x plus f dash of x into dx is the form e power x into f of x plus c. E power x into f of x plus c. Therefore now here simply we can write here e power x, derivative of some example sin x plus cos x. How to resolve this one? How to evaluate this one? This is the f of x, this is the f dash of x. Is it clear? The derivative of the sin x is the cos x. What is the form here? E power x f of x plus c. E power x, what is the f of x is sin x. F of x is the sin x. The derivative of sin x is the cos x. Is that form is the e power x into f of x. E power x into sin x plus c. This is the form. E power x into sin x plus cos x. Therefore the derivative of sin x is the cos x. Is it clear? So another some standard result, integral e power minus x f of x minus f dash of x into dx is the minus e power minus x into f of x plus c. Suppose here we are taking minus x equal to t. Therefore, or we are taking differentiating this one, we are getting this one. Undoubtedly, we can derivative of this one just minus of the derivative of e power minus x. This is the derivative of f dash of x. We can write here the derivative of this one e power minus x into f of x. When we are taking the minus of e power minus x, what we are getting here, now this is the, first of all we are taking the minus is the common factor. We can written as the e power minus x, the derivative of f of x is the f dash of x. After that here when you can taking the common here, this is the f dash of x minus of f of x. The derivative of this one we are getting this one. So therefore here the integral of e power minus x f of x minus of f dash of x, f of x minus of f dash of x. Just 1 minute. Just wait. So we have to give, so we are thinking here, just 1 minute. The dy dx of minus e power minus x f of x plus c. Undoubtedly we are getting this one. How to search? This is uv. Now this one minus e power minus x, derivative of f of x is the f dash of x. The derivative of f of x is the f dash of x. After that, the derivative of e power minus x minus the derivative of minus x is the minus 1, minus of minus plus f of x. The derivative of constant 0. Now we are taking the common factor is minus e power minus x is the, we are getting here f dash of x, this is minus f of x. Therefore we are taking the common factor is here e power minus x. When you are taking the e power minus x, this is the f of x, this is minus of f dash of x. Is it clear? E power minus x, f of x minus f dash of x. Is it okay? We are taking the derivative, we are getting again this one. We are getting again the derivative of this one, we are getting again this one. E power minus x, f of x minus of f dash of x. Therefore, here what is the form here? Similarly, e power minus x into f of x minus f dash of x into dx. So in the last one previously we have to minus is belongs to the both. That's why suppose the minus is we are taking minus of this one. Then you can apply the UV rule that minus is not belongs to both, because here the minus is belongs to the one of the either this one or this one. That is our thinking. Suppose between plus is there, that minus is belongs to the both. Therefore, so that's why we are getting a small mistake in that case. Therefore, only we are taking this is the u, this is the v, but not minus of uv. This is u, this is v. That is not correct. If it is between plus sign, undoubtedly that is minus u minus v. Therefore, when this is u, this is v. The first one we are taking u, this is v. Then you can derivative uv, we are getting this one. Therefore, when the function is e power minus x, f of x minus f dash of x into dx, that is the minus of e power minus x plus f of x. Therefore, we are taking a power x is the t, then you are getting the same this one. E power ax, a into f of x plus f dash of x, then it is the form e power ax, f of x. Suppose the derivative of this one, simply you can write e power ax, derivative of f of x is the f dash of x. Now here a into e power ax f of x, derivative of c 0. When we are taking the e power x is the common, a into f of x plus f dash of x, we are getting e power ax f dash of x plus a into f of x. We know that the antiderivative is nothing but the integral. The reversible process or inverse process of the differentiation is nothing but the indefinite integral. So these are the 4 standard integral, but the first two are the very important. That is f of x x into f dash of x dx. These are x f of x plus c. And second one e power x into f of x plus f dash of x dx is the e power x f of x plus c. This is the one, this is the two. Integral f of x plus x into f dash of x dx is equal to x into f of x plus c. Here e power x into f of x plus f dash of x into dx is the e power x into f of x plus c. But the third one, integral e power minus x into f of x minus f dash of x into dx is the minus of e power minus x into f of x plus c. But the fourth one is integral e power ax into a into f of x plus f dash of x into dx is the e power ax into f of x plus c. These are the some standard results in the by parts. Okay. So today, we are already learned about by parts. So tomorrow let us continue the reduction formulas and some more examples in the by parts. Thank you all.